Pampers Premium Care feels silky soft while pulling wetness away from your baby's skin, driven by its super absorbent heart quilts. 3 absorbing channels distribute wetness evenly and lock it better, using the full diaper from front to back for up to 100% leakage protection. All-around soft and stretchy sides to give your baby extra comfortable fit. Baby lotion that helps protect your baby from skin irritation. Here the center drop is treated with our unique lotion and on the outside is left untreated. We sprayed it with a liquid replica of the pH level of urine and poo. The color doesn't change, so you can be sure your baby's skin is protected from irritation. Our softest comfort that gently wraps your baby in silky softness to ensure your baby's skin remains soft and comfortable. It also contains breathable materials with micropores that let fresh air in and humid air out, so skin can breathe freely. A handy wetness indicator that simply goes from yellow to blue, so you always know when it may be time to change. Protects your baby's delicate belly with a perfectly contoured fit. Pampers Premium Care, our best comfort and softest skin protection. Try it now.